Tell me all about it. I can't hear you. Tell me the story. Tell me. Really? That is so exciting. Tell me more. What else are you going to do? No way. You're going to have the funnest day. Jocelyn, what happened to your sock? What happened? You don't know? You silly girl. You silly girl.